Shout out to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video.
Big Joe. Mighty bag, beanbag filler. The ones that stick to everything. So my idea with this, we got these 10 bags of these giant beanbag filler bags. We go to the mini ramp, dump them in, and have the time of our lives.
Will that really be the time of our life? Or would it be the worst time of our life? Realize the idea was to fill the mini ramp.
I just want to jump.
How does Carlos move everything alone? Whoa. Camping.
Uh-oh. It's snowing. No.
Oh, this is gonna be the worst thing ever.
Look at it, it looks beautiful though. It's glorious. Yes, go!
Hey, it's gonna make it snow now.
Oh!
Look how it glides. The people's elbow! Don't open your mouth!
Not all of them?
Oh, it feels so good.
This is undoubtedly the best thing we've ever done. No, seriously.
Get in there! Oh, angel it up! That looks so sick.
They're gonna be in there forever.
How did you get in there?
Oh no! Mine too. I'm suffocating. I'm suffocating. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. They're in your ear, dude. I can't breathe. They're in my ear.
That stuff and then. Can I show you a magic trick? Yeah.
It's all in my shirt. It's inside. They're trying to skate and Gabe just wants to roll around. There it is. Ah!
Nudge.
I'm not sure you're gonna do it backwards.
You can't see where the board goes, Gabe.
You still have your shoes on.
Yeah.
It did feel like special.
Yeah.
It felt special.
Imagine a floor, like a floor in your house.
Dude.
Oh my god! Hold on, wait!
I did it. I did it.
Ow, twisted my ankle.
It's Born!
You can't let them get in your shoe. That's the problem.
Yeah, that's why you wear socks.
And then you slip out.
So rad. And it's not like you're getting dirty. It's like you're covered with them, but they just go right off. It's a lot of clean fun.
You want to see me disappear?
Like when they're on your grip tape, it makes it slippery.
Someone hacked the fur ball.
Landed that blunt flip, his board was completely gone. It was just. He's got me!
Imagine if one got stuck in your ear and then you take a shower and it just soaks up all the water and you can't hear.
Look at Carlos, he's just like, let me skate, dude, let me skate.
No!
Oh my, whoa!
Look at his eyes.
Like,
What happened?
it gets really hot Like, it is insulated under there. You know, like you just feel them on your eye. You just have to breathe really lightly through your nose so you don't inhale one.
Since I'm going to the show tomorrow, that's all I have to do for right now. Let's go! Full send! Yeah, good boy! Good boy! Oh, you're such a good boy!
There you go. Oh, good boy. There you go. Hey, get some things on your lenses.
Oh, no. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hey, who's tickling my leg? There we go.
Again, a huge thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. If you guys have never heard of Squarespace, it's an incredible website where you can go on and create your website. You log on, you don't have to upgrade, downgrade, install. A lot of different people use this, musicians, artists, all different kinds of people, and you can even have an online store. They have beautiful award-winning templates, so go check it out at squarespace.com/Braille Skate. You can get 10% off your first purchase. You will not be disappointed. Check it out. A huge thanks again to Squarespace for helping us push skateboarding all over the world. Check out all the other videos right there. You guys will have an absolute blast watching those. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we will see you, yes you, in the next video. Go to brailleskateboarding.com to get everything you need to learn to skate.